I'm about, 6 feet from the Trisket. Shark, put my hand on those Trisket. Do it again, bro. Really interact well with only the Triskets. Where are you? That Shark, I'm not very smart. I'm just like a German Shepherd. Just looking at you, Sharky, and I don't get it. Well, he's like, you mean those Triscuits, Sharky? I'm like, yeah, I mean those Triscuits. Those ones over there? Yeah. By the cooler on the ground. See them? Sharky, you want me to merge with those? Yeah, merge with them. Go for it, bro. I'm 10 feet away now. Light up the Triscuits. Only the Triscuits.